difficult. To get lasers for your practical work is not difficult. In CAT we are having all those facilities. Facilities are available in India. The only thing is we are unable to utilize this. We are totally depending upon the Western countries. My humble submission of this conclusion is that unless and otherwise, why I am using this word, unless and otherwise? Because when I look at the government universities, government institutions, no engineer is going to repair the transformer, whereas the senior most scientist and director of Peshni company was repairing that transformer by himself. I have seen, I am the witness for that. Here, there are so many engineering colleges. But have you seen such a number is there for agriculture college? Not at all. Have you think about this phenomena that the rate by which the population is increasing, the cities are expanding, towns are expanding, villages are expanding because of the bulk of population explosion, the farms are reducing. What will happen after 20 years? Will the crops which is giving you wheat and grains will be enough to feed we people? Not at all. Then some revolution is to be done in farming. The day will come when farms will not be on the ground, they will be in the factories. That genetic farming is to be developed. Who will develop? Scientist? IAS officer? IPS officer? No, you people. Nor the Prime Minister, who has been told as Singh, is not going to do anything miracle. You people can do that miracle. You take up a project, simple project. We will study the transmission losses of Indore only. Let the Oriental University take a project with the help of the MPEB and find out the results. You will find simple solution. It's not only the fact, but the way by which the wires are being wrapped over the high tension line, sparking is going on. Nobody is looking after it. Gentlemen, we can speak about these topics for a pretty long time, because that day, you will see, at least I don't know whether I will be witnessing it or not, but it is only 8th of January 2015, there was a declaration that from the stem cell of a human body and the skin cell, they have generated the egg and sperm. Now the time has come. You can imagine the day when you will have to go in the mall and you will give order that we want a child with this face, this is specification. Today it is as if it is something which is in dreams, but that day is coming. That day is coming very fast, because 8 more Earth-like planets has been detected very recently. One of them is 385b, and the Kepler mission, which NASA has sent a telescope moving around the Earth, was specially designated for this purpose, to identify the asteroids and other planets. And now 8 such planets have been identified, which are having their proximity with the sun very close. They are having the surface temperature as good as of the Earth. Gentlemen, my request with your, I can say, learned and far-sighted vision, Chancellor, the topics like the geology of moon, serenology, the entire new subject. We must have a direct interaction with the industries. Now the time has come when we must approach the industry and tell them what is your problem, we will solve. And that can be solved only when group discussions like this are arranged. I must congratulate you. I must give my heart feeling that with the simple addition, it should not be only as one-way traffic, it should be interactive. And you should also discuss with them why it is like that. There can be so many things. Number one thing, the LED, the blue LED, white light will come. Okay, white light will come, then what changes will occur? What about the photosynthesis? If the sunlight is available in the night, then what about the photosynthesis? Who has thought about it? When eggs and sperm are being generated and readily available, what will be the human psychology, physiology? As far as the mass communication is there, as far as the laser communication is there, as far as the white light is concerned there, in medicine, after 25 years, yesterday it was declared that new antibiotic has been invented. So we will have to update our knowledge, whether you are in the field of science or anywhere. It is your responsibility. I am very much sorry to record that in government institution it is not possible. It is only institutions like Oriental University can take lead and give the guideline to the nation that we will solve the problem which we are facing here, including all type of problems. Once again, I must congratulate all of you, and particularly your Chancellor, that he has given me a chance to just express my feelings, and I'm very much sure that day will come and I'll be able to see that this university will have its footprint on the roadmap of the future. Thank you very much.
Don't be in a hurry to give this.
Our great friend, philosopher and guide, not only for the university, but for me at personal level, Dr. Srivastava. I highly appreciate your assessment that Oriental has the potential to become one of the best universities of our time. You have been guiding us directly to me. You are also a source of inspiration, and you will be surprised to know a very significant, useful source of information and guidance to me. You have been guiding me for various things, but unfortunately, your association with us is and has been consistently, persistently, and rigidly distant. If you are really very serious that Oriental should become one of the best universities of our time, you have said something. You are thankful to us for giving me a chance. We want to give you many chances, you are not taking it up. The ball is in your court right from the very beginning, sir. And I will appeal to you, not only in the interest of Oriental University, but come along in the interest of the nation to do something unique at Indore. Fortunately, as I said earlier on an important occasion, India has now a long-awaited man of India's destiny, Mr. Modi. So, sir, I hope that even if it is distantly, let it be regular. And let it be specific, so that we all come together
under your guidance, your inspiration, your leadership to realize our dream of making a smart university at Indore. I can assure you, I need not assure you, because if I mistake not, you have a very clear impression, information that we are really genuine people in the field of education. That is the only claim I can make, that we are genuine people. I will not take more of your time, but request you to come along. Spare not all, but part of your time for us, for Oriental University, for Malwa region, and ultimately in the interest of the entire nation. And I am hopeful, not after the words of Modi ji, we have to regain the glory that India was. Thank you very much. Not a memento, but just a token.
I'd like to call upon Dr. R.K. Jain to give the vote of thanks.
Very respected Chancellor of the University, great academician of my perception of my olden days of studies, Dr. Ram Srivastava. Indeed, great pleasure, the faculty members, students, and colleagues of this university, on behalf of entire fraternity, I am thankful to one and all for sparing such a valuable time to make this event as a great event of nation. Because whatever is discussed today will be highlighted in the form of a deemed paper. We call it a white paper for further study. And this under the foster banner of Oriental University, Indore and India. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Good night.
Loud clapping. सभी कमाल हो गए मतलब ये दो तीन दिनों में ऐसे से फर्स्ट सेशन इट इज गोइंग टू बी a regular feature of our activity every Saturday they will go और जैसा आपने कहा उसके बाद इंटरेक्शन of you like if you will allow I would like to join this discussion on this only discussion
Because I believe in interaction.
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत से लोग जो है ना मुतसिल क्या है कि गए हुए हैं अपना सेमेस्टर ब्रेक में इसलिए अटेंडेंस बहुत कम